Level 3, which is karma, so your karmic timeline, which is the infinity of lifetimes you've had, and a past, present, future, as well as finding soul splits. So with karma energy, so this technique can save you $1,000 because a lot of people love going to get past life regressions, but you can literally just use this technique to look at their heaviest past lives, and so you don't need to really go get a $50 past life session. So I remember when I was scanning my timeline for karma. Oh, that's it. Yeah, I remember, I don't know what I did, but I had some really, really heavy karma, and that was actually making me anxious because I subconsciously knew as a spirit this karma is going to manifest physically at some point. So I had a lot of deep stress in me because I knew something felt was coming for me. There's a thought form in this world that, I think some kind of the idea of karma can be kind of terrifying to most people. They think it's a punishment. You can ground it, but the karma can sometimes be a lesson, but you can ground it and still receive the lesson. You ground the karma and you receive the lesson without dying, without going through hell, without being tortured.
As a vision?
Yeah, sorry. You can ground. I personally see the karma grounding like a negative energy on the timeline, and yeah, I get like the insight. However, I see it. Maybe I was doing really bad things to people, and it would clear, and then I could feel their souls forgive me. I forgave myself. So I guess it's like a boomerang. Whatever you do to other people, you're actually doing to yourself. So whatever you're doing to other people, you're going to be doing to your future self, because karma is like that. It is, unfortunately, an eye for an eye, but you can ground it and still learn the lesson, which is what the New Age people and all the Buddhists and all that, they don't really they don't know that. So yeah, level 3, inner children. You can discover inner children by grounding strategies, which so when your soul splits, and I'll explain later how a soul splits.
Due to trauma.
Yeah, so when you're disappointed, traumatized, you don't like the way things are in life, your soul splits. Like people sometimes don't believe in God because they say, oh, if God exists, why do bad things happen? Well, bad things happen actually because of karma, because you might have shot someone in the face in a past life, and then that's why you got shot in the face in this life. So you can't just say, oh, my poor brother died. Well, they shot someone in the face in a past life, so karmic law says that's why they died. If someone dies, maybe it can be energetic implant from someone, so it's an evil action of someone else onto you. Someone might die. Sometimes I see people dying in past lives for no reason, and sometimes I just think it's like a test from God to keep your faith and love with God, no matter what God does, like God whacking you with a stick to see if you react. So anyway, yeah. So
but the interesting thing, when somebody dies that you're connected to, you're sort of like connected by energetic cords. Yeah. So when they die, it's like the cords sort of slam back into you.
Yeah, you get very upset. Yeah, when someone dies, then your connection to them's lost. But all you really actually need is the God energy. It's just, I would say it's you and God, but in a way you are God, and that's what creates a lot of...
Yeah, but the thing I was trying to say is it doesn't just drop. It actually slams back into you and causes an energy blockage, which is why people get...
Not only when somebody dies, when you break a relationship.
Yeah, heartbreak, yeah. So it's when someone dies, then you have pain sometimes because of a whiplash from the cords. But, no one really ever dies. You go to heaven and stuff. But, a lot of people, they question the idea of God, or why do bad things happen? Well, there are actual explanations, but they're not common knowledge. And if these common knowledges were more common, then everyone would believe in God more and would be less evil. But anyway, so... I was trying to think how I was going to bridge that to the inner children. Oh yeah, sorry, the soul splitting trauma. Thank you. So yeah, if you experience trauma, then your souls can split, and this split is now independent from it. It now is disconnected from the soul beam, the soul connection. So now it has to get energy. It becomes like an independent agent. It has to get its energy. It uses games or strategies. What's really interesting, I wish more psychologists and counselors would jump on this course, because they are obsessed with it being a mind split, like schizophrenia is a mind split. But the spiritual perspective, or the enhancement meditation perspective at the moment, because I don't see this spoken anywhere else, is that it's a soul split, and a soul split you need to ground the trauma. Also, you kind of need to learn a lesson. Why did you split? Like, you can get evolved souls who go through a traumatic incident and they won't split. Like, I think somebody's expectation or someone's disappointment or lack of evolution creates them to split. So behind every soul split is a lesson.
Yes, frustration.
Yeah, frustration. So when